Twin Bell Quartz, analog alarm clock, meet the sharp. Twin Bell Quartz analog alarm clock. It's your reliable wake-up companion. This clock combines vintage charm with modern features. It has a touch-activated backlight for easy nighttime use. The repeat snooze option lets you enjoy a few extra minutes of sleep. The bright dial with contrasting black numbers is easy to read. Plus, it has a loud setting to ensure you wake up on time. The clock's classic design looks great on any bedside table. It's made of brushed metal, available in silver or black. No assembly is required. Needing just one AA battery, it's battery operated. This clock is both stylish and functional.